Among the scenes from the original story, the mocking scene stood out as one of the most engaging and memorable moments. I was curious to see how the drama would adapt this pivotal event, and it surpassed my expectations. From the actors' stellar performances to the atmospheric setting and music, the scene became even more impactful, especially in its gripping final moments. The setting was incredibly steep and treacherous, making Hiju's survival feel nothing short of miraculous. Now that we know she's safe, the next question is, how did she end up in such a dangerous situation? If viewer paid close attention, they might have noticed that Hiju wasn't simply pushed by accident, someone deliberately shoved her. This critical moment, which stays true to the original story, hints at a surprising backstory for the person responsible. Before diving into details, consider this a spoiler warning for those who haven't read the original work. As the scene unfolds, just before the incident, a group of hikers gathers to take photos with a temple official. This commotion pushes several people, including Hiju, toward the edge. If you rewatch episode 6 on Hot Platform Wave, you'll notice a subtle but important clue. The first person to move toward Hiju near the railing is the real culprit. Yes, it's none other than Park Do-jae, the administrative officer who is typically seen assisting the temple official. His helpful demeanor likely threw viewer off, making this reveal even more shocking. Park Do-jae's actions are tied to orders from Shim Gyu-jin, the temple official's mother. Gyu-jin harbors resentment because the current official isn't her biological son, leading her to plot against him. Do-jae's role in pushing Hiju was part of this larger scheme. Fortunately, Hiju survived by clinging to a tree branch, but her near-death experience deeply affected the temple official, who clearly cares for her. This revelation about Do-jae sets the stage for an intense confrontation between him and the official. Interestingly, in the original story, the official had already suspected Do-jae's true intentions but chose to keep him close for strategic reasons. In the upcoming episode, the official is shown carrying Hiju down the mountain in a desperate bid to save her. Though handing her over to rescuers might have been quicker, this act underscores his emotional investment in her safety. His impulsive actions reveal just how much she means to him. When Hiju regains consciousness, she may start piecing things together. She might recall overhearing personal phone conversations between the official and 406, raising doubts about his motives. This could lead to intriguing developments in their relationship. Actor Yoo Hyun-suk delivered a phenomenal performance in these scenes, especially during the heartfelt moment when the official admitted his own fear. The drama retained much of the original dialogue, perfectly capturing the emotional depth of the story. Meanwhile, Yuri is left in shock as breaking news about the incident spreads, including sketches of the culprit. Despite the mounting challenges, the official remains determined to protect Hiju and uncover the truth. In the preview, the culprit appears to be planning another attempt to harm Hiju, but with the official vigilantly by her side, it's unlikely they'll succeed. There's also a lighter moment when Hiju blushes upon seeing the official fresh out of the shower. In the original story, playful and romantic interactions like this were woven throughout, and it's exciting to see them hinted at in the drama. The official's heartfelt apology for not protecting Hiju and his tender gesture of drying her hair highlight his growing affection. For fans rooting for their romance, this marks a heartwarming turning point. As the story intensifies, the culprit's desperation will lead to a clash with another enigmatic character, Teacher Shan, whose connection to the main plot promises a major twist. What will episode 7 hold? Will the culprit finally be caught? And how will the official handle these shocking revelations? Stay tuned for more dramatic turns and heartfelt moments in the next episode.